Good morning, student. Now we'll see the next point. After that, sample space, sample point. Now you have to see that is event. Okay. So event means what? This is what? See carefully. First one, before that event, we have to see favorable outcomes. Outcomes means what? When we'll do the experiment, some result come. Okay. If die thrown, result come what? 1. That is outcome. The outcome satisfying particular condition is called favorable outcomes. Write this definition in your notebook. Favorable means what we want, what we expect that output come, that is favorable outcome. Then event means what? Event is a set of favorable outcomes. Whatever be the favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. This is the definition of event. Means what favorable outcomes we want, all collected in a set, that is event. Event is a subset of a sample space. Means this event is a subset of a sample space. Okay. This event are generally denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D. Means sample space we shown by letter S and event we shown by other than S any letter. Okay, by capital letter. So on this one, how to find this event or what is the event? We'll see one solve example, and after that we'll solve some example. See here in the book only. Just we'll revise it. What is the event? Okay, see here. One example we'll see in a book. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Write the sample space S and number of sample point LS. This is also write the following event in the set form and write the number of sample point in each event. Now here condition for event A means this event A. What? To get at least one tail. Now here we know if two coins are tossed. So what is the sample space? 4 points come. Either head head. This is sample space. Head tail, tail head or tail tail. So how many sample point in that experiment? 4. So first event is what? This is to get at least one tail. At least one tail means more than one, no problem. But minimum one tail should be in this group. See here. This is the event A. But here tail is there? No. So we can't take this point. Here tail, yes, we can take here. TH here, TT here. At least one head. Head means here HH come, HT come, TH come. Why this not TT come? Because there is a tail. We want at least one head. More than one, no problem. At least means minimum. Okay. And condition B. You have to find all this event from this sample space. So second condition for the event B is what? Only one head. And now here condition. Only one head, not two or not less than one. So here these 2 points come HT and TH. Here one head. How many sample point? 2. Condition for the event C. At the most one tail. At most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Okay? Not more than that. One tail means only one tail is there, not more than one tail. At the most one tail means if tail is not there, then also we can take. See here HH, HT, TH. All these sample points we have taken from this sample space. Okay. At the most one tail means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. If tail is not there, then also we can take, but not more than one tail. Here condition is different. At least means here compulsory. Compulsory one head is there. Here not compulsory. Here what not? Compulsory 10, but not more than one tail. So remaining you can take. So L of C is 3. See, this is very important. At the most and at least. Here compulsory that point is there means minimum. At the most means maximum. If not, then also that point can come this event. So condition for event D. Okay. No head. Here condition. There should not be head. So only one point come here from this one. Okay. TT. So the sample point in the event D is what? 1. So actually we will see now two example from this exercise. Okay. So I think you will get the idea about this, how to find the event. Okay. So I will take this lecture in your class. Okay. This is our class. Okay, 10th standard. So we will start the exercise. So we can see that event properly. Okay. So see now. Huh? This is one example I have taken from that practice set. This is what practice set 5.3. Up to 5.2 already we have covered. So what is then 5.2? One example here I have taken. So I will take two different examples, big one, then remaining you can solve. So very simple lesson, very simple. So here two dice are thrown. Here also what you have to find? Event A, B, C and number of element in that event. The same question. Now here two dice are rolled, two dice. Okay. If one dice, we know there are 6 sample points, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when we throw two dice, then maybe 1 or 2, 2 or 1, like that, result come. Means how many possible result come? Here I have written sample space. For this one, maybe one dice shows 1, 1. Along this one, second dice shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is very simple to write. Just I will explain, see carefully. Here you have to write 1, 1, 1, 1. Here just I have written 2, 2, 2. See 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. This second outcomes I have not written. Second one, what you have to write? Very simple. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Along with this two, first you have to write this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or horizontally if you will consider 1, 1, 1, first element, first one, second 2, 2, 3, 3, like that. And along with this one you have to write just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this here. How simple this one is. Easily you can write. Yeah, someone maybe they feel this is very big one, but it is very simple to write it. Okay. So here you have to write this all elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 here. So how many sample points? Here 1 bracket 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 6, 6 are 36. It is what? 36 sample point in a sample space. Means we have written yes and yellow yes. First year point. Now one by one you have to take the event. So this is the event A, event A. What it says, event A, the sum of the digit of upper faces is multiple of 6. The sum of upper faces is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means what? We know 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, like that. That sum should become multiple of 6. So A event you have to write. See here. So we know the sum should be first 6 because 6 is a multiple of 6, 6 1s are 6. So first we will find whose sum is 6. In the first row, here we found 1 plus 5 comes 6. Then in second row, see the sum of that 2 4. 2, 4. Then anyone? No. Then here in third row, 3, 3. 3, 3. Then in fourth row, 4, 2. Check it. All this upper faces sum is come 6. Then last one, last second, 5, 1. 6. Now here in last, that is greater than 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So there is not come sum 6. So okay, after the sum multiple of 6 is 6 1s are 6, that what come? 6 2s are 12. Now if we see, not any number sum come 12, other than only this one. This is big one, 6 6 come 12. So 6, 6. This is the last sample point from this one. Okay. So these are the sample point in the event day. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 6. So event B, for the event B. What then? What we want event B? The sum of digit on the upper faces is minimum 10. Sum is minimum 10. Minimum means maximum, no problem. Come se come. Then we can take maximum. So we want that sum should be 10. So whose sum come 10? Here no, this bigger one 6 plus 1 7 come, not come. Here also not come. Last one 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 3 9. Now after this we can find here whose sum come 10. Here 6 plus 4 10. Okay, sum we want minimum 10 means maximum no problem. So for 6 plus 4 in 5 plus 5. Okay, and also 5 6 minimum 10. This is 11. So maximum no problem. Minimum 10 means कम से कम 10 उससे कम नहीं. ज़्यादा we can take 5 6. Okay. Then each 6 1 6 4 6 4 and 6 5 and 6 6. This is the answer. Check it. Is that correct or not? Yes, minimum 10 means it start from 10, then more than no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of B means sample point in the event B is 6. So last, the same digit on both. Event C, the same digit on both faces. Upper faces, okay, this is condition, upper faces, all these are upper faces. Same digit, it is very simple. Same digit means what? 1 1, okay, same one come 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. All these sample point should be from this sample space. Then 7 7 also there, but 7 7 is here? No. So up to 6 6 we can take. So number of sample point here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here also sample points are 6. Any doubt about this one? You can ask me. This is very simple, but it having more marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, like that. Big examples. Okay. Now one more example we'll see on this. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, this is if two dice are thrown like that. So examples are fixed. Easily we can change what type of example they can ask. Then what is the sample space? 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin. Okay, 1 die, 2 dice, then card. In that card, black, red, or whatever they want. So easily we can solve these examples. All these are very simple examples. So one more different example we'll take from this. Okay, 3 coins are tossed. Here we have to find n of A, n of B, n of C. Okay, yes also. So now we'll take see the another example. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed. Okay, so here events are given. Event A directly. Here we have to write sample space, number of sample point, then event A. So we will solve directly. Event is what? To get at least 2 hits. To get at least 2 hits. Okay, at least 2 hits. At least means minimum, maximum no problem. Okay, so before that we have to see first we have to prepare sample space. Okay, Now we know when one coin toss, two sample point, head tail. If two coin, then four, HH, HT, TH, TT. Now if three coin toss, then how many sample points we have to see? Very simple, see. First one, we'll take all HH. Okay, along with, if we take two head, one tail. Okay, then one head in between, one tail. Then this tail before, then two head. T, H, H. See, very simple. H, H, along with this, one T, last one, middle one, and first one. Finish. Then you can take T, 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 all T, T. Here like this. Now you have to take along with this TT, 1H, last one. Then in between 2T and before this H is there, HT. Finish. See how simple is this. HHH, HST, T you have to adjust last, middle, first. Here all T you have to adjust H last, middle, first. Finish. So count it. How many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 8 sample points. See, 1 coin toss, 2 sample point, 2 coins toss, 4 sample point, and if 3 coin toss, not a 6, it is 8. Okay, 8. So now event to get at least 2 heads. This is event A. If they not given the name of that event, you can take any letter A, B, C. If name is not there, then you can give the name A, B, C for that event. To get at least 2 head. At least 2 means minimum 2, maximum no problem. So find it at least 2 head in which sample points 2 heads are there. Here 2 heads. More than 1 no problem. More than 2. So we can take this sample point. Here 2 head. Yes. HHT. Here 2 head, yes. HT, H. Here 2 head, yes. T, H, H. Then here 2 head, no. Here 1 head. Here 1 head. Here 1 head. At least we want 2 heads. Means more than that, no problem. So finish. So how many sample points are needed? 4. So N of A is what? 4. Very simple. Now then we'll see event B. To get no head. See. Event B. To get no head. How simple is this? See. No head. In that sample points, head should not be there. Here 1 H, 1 or 2, whatever be, H should not be there. So which point come? Only T, T, T. There is a no head. In all remaining points, head is there. So head should not be there, means only 1 point, sample point come. So number of sample point in the event B is 1. Any doubt about this? Then last one, event C. See, here event, here first one. Here now third one. Event C. What event C? What we want? To get head on the second point. To get head on the second coin. You have to read this question carefully. Very simple. To get head on the second coin. Second result should be head. Means whatever be the second coin, that should be head. So we'll see C is N. Means H should be on the place of second. To get head on the second coin. See, where the head comes in the second, here second, here second, here not second, here second, here not, here head is second, here not, here first. So how many elements come there? Sample points. H, 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 second place. Here then H, H, T, then T, H, H. Okay, finish. Then here THT. THT. Only 4 elements sample points we found. See, second place. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first place, this is second place. First coin, second coin, third coin. Like this. So how many sample points are here? 4. So I think there is no problem regarding these examples. Okay. So I will send photocopy. You have to solve that example from the practice set 5.3. Thank you.